I'd like us to do a little exercise of connecting with each other. So you can do this with your eyes open, or you can close your eyes. It's up to you. And take a few deep breaths. Make sure your physical body is really comfy. And feel into your physical body. He or she, what they're feeling. Acknowledge that if there are any tensions or upsetnesses, a hard time on the planet for physical bodies right now. So I just acknowledge it. I understand. Yeah, it is this way. Also, let your physical body know that you're going to protect him or her. There's not going to be any type of vaccination or any type of other negative thing that you're going to allow or go for. And in this particular moment in time and space, your physical body is, your soul is completely and utterly safe. Take a deep breath and allow your physical body to relax and accept that he or she is safe. And your soul and your mind to quieten down because you're safe. Now allow yourself to expand your awareness to include all the high frequency individuals, high frequency self into your field and into your awareness. First, you can start with the individuals and their high frequency areas, their cells in the skull, their high frequency expressions only. And it's a lot. It's almost eternity. Allow this group, high frequency expression of this group to be embraced by the universal human collective. In their high frequency expression. And we are one. We are the same. Allow that love, that compassion, that care, interest, and interesting to express in your field. Relax into it. And as you do so, allow your high frequency expression to be seen by this high frequency collective. As you do so, you can come back into singularity, come back into your physical body, share that feeling of unity, brotherhood and sisterhood. To come in with you. Take a deep breath, relax your body. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes.